Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel, guys. For today's video, we are going for a day trip in Lochterg Pilgrimage, or also known as St. Patrick's Purgatory. And if you see on that far side in the middle of the lake, which is there, we are going for a day tour. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, guys. At ngayon nga ay nagpiprepare na rin kami sa pagtawid using this boat. So it takes only 4.5 to 5 minutes crossing this island.
Long time no see. Come in, come in, come in, come in.
Jimmy, come on! Oh, it's lovely here.
Nice out here, isn't it?
Yeah. So this is also pilgrims here. Yay! And today is 22nd of September. Good morning.
Good morning, you're very welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank
Good
you.
morning, you're very welcome. Good morning. Oh,
Oh my God, Sally is gone.
she's gone. Yeah,
No, she shakes hand.
oh, she shook hands.
Yeah. So guys, katatapos lang ng Holy Rosary at kanina pagpasok namin, diretso na kami sa reception area for our breakfast, which is included na yung meal namin doon sa binayaran namin. At after naman ito, lunchtime, and then after ng lunchtime, magkakaroon ng misa, and we are happy kasi part kami nung misa mismo. Yung aking friend ay first reading yata, at ako naman yung sa Bible. So it was a blessed day for us. At ito yung nasa harapan. Although guys saglit lang yung pagkuha namin ng video kasi bawal talaga. So yan. So ayan guys, after a day of pilgrimage, pabalik na kami sa mainland, and I could say this is the best experience I have connecting to God. Ang sarap guys, yung para bang pag nandoon ka, parang lahat ng problema mo ay biglang nawala. Parang sarap-sarap lang talaga na kakaiba yung pakiramdam. At ang kagandahan is we are not just mass attendees. We are part of the mass, which is so blessed na sa dinami-dami ng pilgrims, dalawa kami ni si Sally na napili para maging part of the mass, which is I was so grateful. At sana makabalik kami uli sa lugar na to. So ayan guys, at kami ay babalik na sa mainland after the stay, and this is all goes to memory. Black water. I don't understand why it's black.
Because it's all in from the
Because of the leaves.
the mountains, and then it's all in off the hills and the mountains, and the circle on the peak, the sign of the mountains, and all that stuff.
Okay. But it's most of the lakes and rivers in Ireland are like this. Black water. It's getting smaller. Bye bye and see you again, Blackbird. Monsignor Patrick Huon, 1909 to 1941. The English shape of traditional. Yeah, that's what I said. Oh, 516 AD. Yeah, not so that's after Anno Domini, after Christ, right? Because BC is before Christ.
It's called the
So imagine that. So this is how it looks before. That one there, here.
church. It's a small church.
Yeah. And then, so so this is how it looks like now. So, ayun guys, yung pinuntahan namin na Lacter. What are those? It's like... So, this is a wishing well. Look at that. Yung mga gamit nila sis. May ganito rin sis sa pour. May puno doon na ano. Yung mga gamit iniiwan, nag-iiwan sila ng mga gamit nila tapos nag-wish. Oh, I don't have coin. So this is what it looks like. St. Bridget's Well. It was far.